So hi, I'm John Weber. I'm the General Manager of RDO Equipment up in Dayton, Minnesota. I thought I'd give you an update now that construction is complete and give you kind of a tour of the facility really from the outside in. We'll really start here on the kind of the back side of the store. We have a staff of trained technicians. We are and will continue to be a shop that supports all of our brands. We have John Deere and Vermeer equipment that we service through really all of these bay doors. And for what we can't do in the shop because it can't be transported, we have service trucks out in the field that we rely on to do that same work. So entering the location through the front doors, you're immediately going to run into people that are ready to greet you with a smile and ready to help you out. You're going to see our parts department, you're going to see our showroom floor, and you'll see all of our brands really that are there under one roof in one area as a central hub for your needs. Whether it's a Vermeer part, a John Deere construction part, or a Topcon part, you are entering our parts department and you're going to find a parts staff that is very talented at what they do. They understand what your machine is supposed to do, what it looks like, the part you need, and then they're also ready to make recommendations for something maybe you didn't even think that you needed. And you'll see that it's very efficient in how we manage our inventories. When you need a part, you want to show up, you want to get it, and you want to move on. And that's what our goal is. Customers continually look to technology to solve issues that they have in the marketplace. A lot of it has to do with how do they produce more in less time, obviously saving money and increasing profitability. They also need a dealership to be able to support that equipment. So everything under this roof that we sell, we fix. That gives customers peace of mind and an understanding that we're in it with them. We're on the north side. We have the facility. We're in a great place. We have a wonderful team, and we're ready to take care of our customers.